You discover on TV like us a few weeks ago, ukuthi something so personal and private about your fertility, your decisions as a younger woman, and surrounding children. How did it make you feel? We discover kanjalo leyo nto.
Mina yazi ukuthi izinto eziningi engizibonayo on the screen zingenza ngidabukele the person nozenzayo. So if kunomunye umuntu obona ukuthi yena angakwazi ukusebenzisa lezo zinto ukuthi zimenza azizwe better, I'm actually very happy for that person. Sonke sifuna ukufeel better, guys. Sonke sifuna ukufeel good. So if kunento obonayo ukuthi ungayisebenzisa yami ukwenza ukuthi uzizwe right, I'm happy for you. But ngifeel bad if kuukuthi it's not izinto eziyiqiniso liphelele.
Okay.
And you know ukuthi azilona.
Sure.
But makukudawe those things were presented to you to be the truth. It's okay, I forgive you, but ngizokunikeza mhlawumbe iversion right mawunganginika opportunity. But mawufuna ukuhlala lapho futhi it's still fine as long as you are good.
Do you think it was used as a gotcha moment? Uzenza ngcono lo so sengimtholile.
I don't think ngizenza ngcono. I think ngingcono nje.
Okay.
No. Honestly, no ngingcono.